How to contact customer support through Regions Bank online banking. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to contact customer support through Regions Bank online banking. So first thing what you can do is you can either go to the Regions Bank official website and just look for the contact us page over here or option over here, or you can just open the mobile application and simply sign into your account and look for the help or contact us section in the main menu or at the bottom of the page if you are using the website version. And you can just tap on this and use the secure message center to send the question directly to customer support. If available, click on the live chat option for quick help with your account. And you will also see the official Regions Bank phone numbers listed for the further assistance or faster assistance, and you can always contact region support through your logged in account to ensure your information stays secure. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.